HEMING-XIANHE is a specialized paper manufacturer equipped with the most advanced facilities with numerous subsidiaries under its wing. Within its portfolio, food hygiene specialty paper boasts 5 high-speed solvent-free coating lines for seamless flexographic printing lines and 17 high-speed dual-axis rewinding and slitting lines. Its main products encompass 2 major series: baking paper, steamer liners, hamburger wrappers, greaseproof paper, wax paper, tray liners, cake bases, fade-resistant cooking paper and other silicone-coated paper products for food packaging, as well as release papers for maternal and child hygiene products, envelopes, express deliveries, medical use, and cleaning tapes, among other hygiene material series. Customized products of various weights, specifications, and printed designs are available upon request. The company is dedicated to comprehensive and sustainable healthy development, actively engaging in industry-academia research collaborations. It has established various professional laboratories in accordance with international standards. The parent company boasts a CNAS-certified laboratory, focusing on the performance design of paper packaging and hygiene materials. Infusing innovation into its products, the company is committed to the continuous development of new technologies. Production-oriented, the company has invested heavily in building a robust manufacturing base and has established a closed pest prevention management system in accordance with GMP requirements. The production process is continuously refined, from raw materials to finished products, combined with highly automated production, propelling the company forward with superior product performance. By stimulating cutting-edge technological innovation and utilizing new technologies, equipment, and processes, the company continuously provides more high-quality products to both international and domestic markets.